What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and in today's video I want to show you how to make $100 per day online even if you're lazy. So the things I'm going to show you, I actually have 5 things I'm going to show you. Each one of these things I'm going to show you how to do it and proof that you can make money. You can make $100 a day or more doing these exact strategies. So stay tuned. So the first thing I want to show you is something called course sales. So what this means is you put together a course and you sell it online, okay? That's one of the things you can do. Right here, you can see this is December 1st, 2016 through December 1st. Let's refresh this. Let's do January. Okay? So January. So all right, well, so went up. So right here, these are from courses. So it's about $3,000 a month in just January alone of 2017. These are just courses. These are courses on selling on Amazon FBA. The freelance, what is the freelance lifestyle? And I'm going to talk to you about that in just a second. Things like just how to make money online. Pretty much that's what all this is. Okay, you can see right here, this is from my Homemade Entrepreneur Gumroad account. That's what this is. Excuse me. So one of the things you need to understand is course sales are a great way to make money. They're a great way to make a passive income. You have to put in that work up front, but once you do, you can start to see you can continually make some money. Now, one of the things I put together was actually a course on doing this exact same thing. So, if you guys want to know exactly kind of how I'm doing this exact same thing, I talk about all this inside. It's called my Passive Income for Entrepreneurs course. It's right here. It's $7. You can go to, there's going to be a link down below, and it says Passive Income for Entrepreneurs. That's exactly what this is, and you can easily make $100 a day, $1,000 a day. I go here and show you some of the students that have done it before. Right here, about $800, and right here, $1,500, $1,900 in like residual income. That's even more than I have. Yeah, right about that. So anyway, that's a good thing to do. So course sales is a great option. The next one, selling on eBay. eBay sales are awesome if you want to sell the right stuff. Okay. What I recommend, I don't sell on eBay. I honestly don't. I'm going to tell you that right now. I don't sell on eBay. I sell on something called Amazon FBA. And I'm going to talk about that in a minute. But eBay is a great platform to sell stuff if you're selling like shirts, shoes, used stuff. Okay. Don't sell like high-end items. Don't sell brand new items. Don't sell electronics, because chances are people are going to screw you out of your money. Sell stuff like clothing, used clothing. Right here. This is what I used to sell. I know a bunch of people that still do. If you're familiar with selling on eBay and you look on YouTube all the time, you probably see somebody called Rake and Profit. He sells on eBay. He's always putting up new videos on what he sells, and I think he sells a lot of clothing. Clothing is a great option because it's small. You can get it really compact. Shipping is so light. It's so inexpensive, and you can make some decent money. So you pick up some of these items from like an eBay or from like a Goodwill store, a secondhand store, a Value Village, a Salvation Army, something like that. You pick these up for $1 to maybe $5. Sell them on eBay for 20. This one 28. This one right here, new with tag. You're looking at what, about $40. This one about $30. Patagonia, who knows what that was. This one brand new, Burberry, $37. 26, 25 right here. So you can make some great money doing eBay sales. Now, it does require a little more work because you have to go and source the products, but it doesn't take as long to get to the profit margins, because it's not like course sales where you got to create a course, you got to create some demand for it and try to promote it through YouTube, Facebook, just social media, stuff like that. So these are all great options, but eBay is a little bit easier to get into because they already have the big platform. Okay. The next thing I want to talk about is freelance writing. Okay. So the reason why I want to talk about freelance writing is because it is a great way to make money. Like I said, one of the things that I was selling here was this course right here. It's called Freelance Lifestyle, and I teach you how to make $10,000 per month living the freelance lifestyle. What this means is I show you how to make this entire business extremely passive. What that means is I'm showing you how to go and get virtual assistants, how to set up the whole business, how to go and get the work where somebody wants to hire a writer to write an article for them, write an ebook, write a book, write something, an email, maybe a whole course. you're gonna, instead of writing it, you're gonna outsource it to somebody else. So you get the job, you outsource it to somebody else, and then they will send it to you, you send it off. And so it's just extremely passive. That's what I call freelance lifestyle. Let me show you. I actually have a client that actually made money doing this. So I've actually had a bunch of people take this course, and a lot of people have had great success. This is one, she only took it not very long ago. It was sent to me November 16, 2017. It says, I make a passive income because of you, Adam. Remember when I first bought your course a couple months ago? Well, I've been working hard to make that $10,000 goal, and I finally did last month. I hit $13,416 in profit last month, and this month I'm projecting to reach $16,500 in profit. I did not think making $10,000 in a single month was possible. Now I'm making more than that. Thank you for all you've done. You don't know how much you have changed my life. Thanks, Charlene Brown. Anyway, so right there's somebody that used this exact same course, and it took her from making whatever she was making before to now making over $15,000. Okay, and that was months ago that she sent me that. So who knows what, she's probably up to 20,000 or more now. But this actually works. So doing freelance writing is a great business because you can find a bunch of work. You can write all the articles yourself, or you can be lazy like I was, and I still kind of am, and I outsource it all. Somebody else writes it, and I get paid the difference of what they charge from what I'm getting paid. I make the difference, you make some money. The next thing you can do to make money, to make $100 a day online, being lazy, is something I like to call affiliate marketing. Now, it's not I just call this affiliate marketing, it is actually called affiliate marketing, and I like to do it over on YouTube. Here's the channel right here. I just typed in Lego review, and it brought up this Lego Batman movie, the Joker Manor review right here. Now, what you need to understand is this person, I'm going to mute that, but this person is just showing the item. There it is. Okay, probably walks you through how to build it, do all that stuff. Okay, it's working, yeah. Lots of exciting stuff going on there, but they're not making a whole lot of money off this video alone. Where they're making money is down here, right there. Someone clicks on it and goes to Amazon.com. So anytime somebody clicks on this affiliate link and buys anything from Amazon within the first 24 hours, they're getting a small percentage of that. Maybe 3%, 5%, 10%, whatever it is, but they're making money. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing on YouTube. Let me show you another person. You've probably seen this guy before. Yep, that is Casey Neistat. So I typed in best vlogging camera, I think is what I typed in here, and it brought up a bunch of videos. I clicked on Casey Neistat. I've used this example before because he shows it extremely well. He has 3 million views on this video. Okay, a bunch of people watch it. He's very popular, but down here it doesn't say, hey, if you want the best vlogging camera, go to Amazon. It says Sony camera and Amazon link. Canon vlog camera, his favorite, Amazon link. Anytime you click on any of these links right here, it takes you to Amazon. If you buy anything within the first 24 hours, he gets a percentage of that income, of the money. Okay, so that's why I love doing affiliate marketing on YouTube, because YouTube is such a big platform and you can make some great money. You do not need the best video. You don't need the most expensive cameras, but you have to provide quality information. If you do this time and time again, you offer more videos, you're going to start making more money. So you need to start doing affiliate marketing on YouTube because you can make a lot of money here. Okay, if you have questions on that, let me know. The next thing, right, I didn't have a video exactly detailing the whole process, but what I do is I sell stuff on Amazon FBA. One of the things that I do is I sell stuff like private label products. What that means is I go to China. I don't actually go to China. I contact manufacturers in China. So right here, this is it's an additional mount for a camera. Put this on the bottom of the camera, screw it on, and then this could hold a light, this could hold a microphone, this could hold some other accessory. Then you still got the top shoe mount on the camera itself. So why am I showing you this? Because I sell products similar to these, okay? The reason why is because you can make a lot of money. In addition to items like that, I go to stores such as Walmart, Target, Big Lots, Costco, Home Depot, Lowe's, any store I can find, and I buy items like this, okay? This right here is a little Speedo begin to swim item. I bought that. Let's see, what did I buy over here? I bought this little Windows 10 Cambio, this little tablet looking thing. Bought this before, sold it, and you just buy and sell stuff on Amazon FBA. The difference between Amazon and eBay is with Amazon, I sent, which FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, I send all my inventory to Amazon. Amazon holds it. When a buyer buys that particular item, Amazon packages it all up and then sends it off. Okay, that's it. That's all I do is I send it to Amazon and then they deal with the rest. So those are my 5 ways to make $100 a day online. Like I said, there's a lot of ways. Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing over on YouTube is a great option. Freelance writing, I still do this a little bit, but I used to do this, I did the most of this probably back in 2009, 2010, right around there, when I was really getting going online, and you can make a bunch of money. There's days I was making over $1,000. Selling stuff on eBay, another great option, and doing course sales. Like I said, if you want to go check out how you can make $100 a day, even $1,000 a day, even make an additional $1,000 a month. I bet most people would be happy with that. So go check it out. It will be one of the links in the description box below. Let me know if you have any questions on how to make $100 a day online, even if you're lazy. And make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next video.